can't go anymore. The ant searched around for water. The ant heard flowing water in the distance. Oh, I hear water. I better hurry and see. There really was clean and clear creeks where the ant went. Oh, I better drink up. The ant wants to drink as soon as possible. But when the ant was about to drink, it slipped and fell in the water. Somebody, help, somebody, struggling about the water. Suddenly, an ant fell from the sky. The pigeon saw the ant in the water and threw the leaf. Ant, get on the leaf. The ant got on the leaf, and the pigeon threw it and was able to leave. Thanks, pigeon, said the ant. The pigeon smiled at the ant and flew away. One day, a hunter was aiming at the tree. He was aiming to shoot the pigeon in the tree who was sitting on the tree, and the ant passed by and saw this. Oh no! The hunter is trying to shoot the pigeon. The ant worried that the hunter might shoot the pigeon. The ant hurried and hit the hunter's leg. Ow! The hunter yelled in pain. Ow! Ow! Ooh! Ooh! The pigeon fly away when he heard the hunter yelled. Oh, good. The ant smiled proudly when he saw the pigeon fly away.